Hello, it's been a while. This is Travis from Travisrestorations on the pool hillside project. And I took a few pictures. I got the river rock over here now, pea gravel around the outside. Now I'm building the deck. And the other part of the deck. And then I'm extending the deck onto the old platform. There will be a step down. The old railing looks like that. And then, of course, the deck will go across there and be level with that. And then over here, I moved the door. Yep, I put that new door in. It used to be over here, right along there. So I got the new door in, and then the deck will come out right here, and I'll be able to step onto that deck or step down onto the ground right here. And then over here, same scenario. There'll be a step up right along here. And basically that's about it for right now. Thanks for watching.